won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're looking at this Amiga 007 limited edition watch which I purchased from Bodrum in Turkey. It's Amiga Seamaster and it's a very nice watch. It cost me about £150 and it's AAA quality. They are proper Swiss movements in these. They really are nice watch quality. And look at that ceramic around the bezel. Nice crisp clicking around there, around the bezel. Just as it should be. And the strap, just pure quality really. Very nice to wear. I haven't actually worn this one out, I just think it's so beautiful, I don't want to ruin it. The Amiga stamps are brilliant on there, nice stamps on there. Clasp itself is nice and strong when it's attached. And the quality of the metal is just, second to none. It's really good. There's some stamping there. Yeah, for the money these are worth every penny. The weight on there is like the original one that I owned. I did have an Amiga 007. Wasn't this model, but it was an older one. And I made a profit on it because I kept it boxed. Unfortunately this one didn't come boxed, but as far as replicas go you can't really beat that quality. Got the Amiga stamp on there and the helium release valve on there with the Amiga sign on there. And on the back it says limited edition 50 years James Bond, and it has the signature mark on the back. But look at that, even that stamping is like really great quality. Just love this watch. Yeah, very weighty this one. Even the dial, that 007 is properly stamped in there. And I love that ceramic bezel. Really nice mirrored finish. And if you've seen me on a video, the Planet Ocean replica again from Bodrum, you'll see that that's how it will look once you take your plastic cover off. It is a beautiful watch and well worth the money that I paid for it. So if you like this or any others, then come back for more reviews soon. I shall have some genuine Rolexes to put up and some of my more expensive watches that I've collected over the years, so please come back for more. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year. Please subscribe and turn on notifications for many more watches to come, real and fake. Thanks a lot. Bye.